You are welcome in this video. So we'll be seeing in this video. This video is completely based for the project setup. So not only for that, so it is for the Python setup. Okay. Here, let's see whether previously you have used the Python or not. It doesn't matter. So how to check whether it is installed or not. So I will be guiding you the very simple step through which you will come to know whether Python is installed in your system or not. If it is installed, you can use it. If it is not, I am going to show you the way in which you will be able to execute your Python file. Let's start. So I'm just going to open the command prompt. So CMD. I hope you all know how to use the shortcut uh, key to open the command prompt. That's Windows R. Okay, Windows plus R. So it will open the what run, and then after you can type here CMD to open the command prompt. Okay. Now here I'm just going to type the Python. So here you can see UI. Okay. Now you can see here it is not installed in my system. So what it is showing? It is showing that I need to download from the Microsoft Store. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to download right now from the Microsoft Store. I'll be either downloading from the Google Chrome or some other browser. Okay. So let's close this. I'm just going to type here. That is the Python. So always try to download the Python file from the python.org. Just click on that. So you can see the latest version of the Python is just click on the downloads. Here you can see the latest version is that is the 3.13 it is telling. Okay. So you can go with the 3.13 and you are having extra information that is the 3.14 will get released in 2025 10th of 1st. It is planned. Okay. So, but the current, so here you can see what all the update has been done. So from 3 point 11.11, it was the security update. In 3.12 bug fix. In 3.13 also there was the bug fix. So you can go with the 3.13. So for right now, if you want, you can click on the Windows. Anyway, if you are using the Windows operating system directly, you can download from here. So download Python 3.13. Okay. So you can see it has downloaded. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open that file. It is going to it. You can see one thing. It is telling what Python in command prompt. It was showing that there is not Python is not installed, right? But if I'm going to just open the control panel, guys, you can see one thing. What is there? Let me show you in the programs. I will tell you why you are getting this reason. Okay. So let me check here. Python is whether you can see it is being downloaded here, right? Why I came to know that it is here. So if you will see here in the control panel here, this application has been installed, right? Because as I was trying to install it, I was getting this modified API uninstall. So what I can do, I can just click on the uninstall. I'm just going to remove that. Okay, so I will show you for right now what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pause this videos, okay, or let it get completed. Here we have successfully uninstalled. So what I'm going to do, let me just open the downloaded file here. I'm just going to download this, install now. So what I am going to do, I'm just clicking on the install now. It will just take some time. Now here you can see we got a message as setup was successful. If you want to just disable the path length, so anyway we are not going to disable the path length. Okay, so just close it. It's done, right? Now what we are going to do, anyway, the computer type Python, it is still opening the what a Microsoft Store. So the reason behind this, because if we will just type environment variable env, okay. So here you are having the environment variable. In this path, if you will go, you can see you don't have anything. So Python launcher is just kept here, right? Now our task is we are going to set up the environment variable for the same. So what I'm going to do, let me minimize this or I can close it. I need to type here ideally. By default you will be getting the word ideally, it will get installed. Okay, so ideally, okay, so the version of Python which we have installed, that was the 3.13. So you can do, or if you are just typing here Python also, you can do the same. Python here 3 point different version is there, right? 3.13. This, can you see here? You can go in the open file location, or the best I'm going to do with the, what is that, I will be using the Python ideally. Just type the ideally. Here you are having the option for the open file location. Both the things are same. Okay, open file location. Now you can see where this is installed. That location you will be getting. If you will be clicking on the Python again, you will be redirected towards the same page. Getting. Now here, just right click on any Python 3.13 or the ideally Python. Just right click on this. You will be having a open file location. Just click on the open file location. Now here you can see we are going to just copy the path. Just click here, address bar, just copy that path. Okay, now here I will be typing environment. Just write env, then you will be getting the auto suggestion here. Just open it. Now here environment variables are there. We are having the variables for the users as well as the system variable. So here we are just going to use for the user only. Just click on new, just paste it. One thing is done. I will be moving it up at the top. The reason is we'll be giving the preference to the Python 3.13. This the file that ideally which we have installed, right, by the Python. Otherwise, if you are just going to give the preference to this launcher, just check here. If I'm just going to do this, what you can see, guys, that let me open the uh, command prompt. If I'm going to write still python, what it is going to do? It is going to open the uh, Microsoft Store. So here, if I am going to change the preference, this Python 3.13 at the top, you can see the difference now. What is the difference? The same. Let's type the Python python. Now it won't open the Microsoft Store. You will be getting the version 3.13. Now you are inside the Python environment. So just to come out of this, you can use Control Z. Okay, so Control Z to come out from the environment variable from the command prompt. I hope it is clear. Now another thing is what, now we need to install some of the other libraries also, right? So how you will be installing? So we'll be installing with the help of the pip or the pip3. Okay, so I will be just opening the same. I'm just going to open the same file here. Now here in this the same folder you will be having the scripts. So just open that. Now you are having the pip 3.13 pip3. Okay, so just copy this path. Okay, if you have copied this path, now we will be moving towards this path again. Okay, just open it, just click on new, just paste it here. Now just do move up. Okay, now if it is done, it's fine. Now you can go with. So it's now again, just to cross verify, you can type here Python version. Okay, you will be getting the version. Pip version also you will be getting here. If previously if you would not have given, then you won't be getting the P version. I hope it is clear. Right now what we will be doing, if it is done, we are just going to close those all the things. Okay, that was nothing but the environment, setting the environment variable. Now another thing is what, we'll be using Python. So you are having the different text editor for the Python. So either you can use the PyCharm, or the best here we are going to use the VS Code. Not only that, if you want to use the that Anaconda also, you can use Anaconda. So through that you can use the Jupyter Notebook. But still, instead of doing that, you can do the same thing inside the VS Code only. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me download the VS Code here. VS Code. Okay, If you have download, it's good. If not, you can see this. You can go with the same. Okay, it has auto downloaded. It has started auto downloading. Now here what you can see. Let me open the file. Okay, I will accept the agreement. Without that, I won't be able to do. Now, whatever the things, these are the check boxes. Whatever the things you want, you can do it. Okay. So just next, I will be clicking. Anyway, VS Code was installed previously. But if you have uninstalled also, or if you are just trying to install some of the extension, if you have downloaded those extension, it will be okay. So no need to uninstall and again try to downloading and installing the same thing. Just click on the install. It will start installing the same. I hope now if you are just clicking on that, it won't launch. Otherwise, it will launch here. Two things it is done. Now here, let me create here one folder. Okay. So to create the folder shortcut ways, either you can go right click and then after new you will be doing. Instead of that, you can use Control Shift N. Okay, to create the new folder. I can write it as Python demo. Okay. Now what I am going to do, there are the multiple ways through which you can open the VS Code. So one way is what? Directly you can type here CMD, okay? If you are opening the CMD guys, you are directly inside what? Sorry, the name is different. Let me later on I can rename it, no issue for that. Okay. So you can just type here CMD, it will open the command prompt. Now from here you can use code space dot. One way to open the VS Code is this. If it is not means opening, just check the path. Okay, so you can see the working. Anyway, you are the user, so we can trust. Yes, I trust. One way is this. Okay, another one is what? The same thing. Multiple. Don't see. Let me close that. So here, what I'm going to do, I can close it or right click. So more option, you can see you are getting the open with code. Guys, if you are not getting this option, it means what? You might not have checked it. The while installing the VS Code, you have seen the multiple checkboxes, right? Because of that, so you might not be getting this. So open with code. So you can see the best way to, if you are working on any project, please try to select the folder. Okay, this is the second way. The third way is what? You will be directly opening what? You will be typing the VS Code. Okay, just open it. Now here you will be having the option for the file. Here what I am going to do, just open folder, just select any working folder. Anyway, we were on the desktop, so I'm going to take the desktop. Okay, in this desktop I am having the Python demo. Just select that. Oh, do not say I'm not going to save any. If you are willing to save, you can save it. I hope it is clear. So here I'm just going to create here another file known as demo.py. Fine. So to increase the font size of this, you can use Control plus. Okay, and then after, what you can see here, I'm going to do few of the in order to run the file. Look here, I will be going in here the extension. If you will see at the left panel, you will be having the Explorer, so where you will be getting the list of the file. Here the search option, whatever you want to search or you want to replace with, this is nothing but what? For the source control. If you are going to link with any GitHub, those are the things you will be able to do with the source control. So this is for the run and debug, and here you are having the extension. We need to type here, we need to check for the Python. Okay, Python Python. Okay, just hit enter. For that, internet is required. You'll be clicking. Anyway, it was a install. Just assume I'm just going to uninstall it. Okay, nice. Here we'll be clicking on the extension. Here we need to search for the Python. Just search Python. This is the, you can see what is the download. It is more than 146 millions of the download. So I'm just going to install the extension. That's the Python. If it is done, it's fine. Okay, now here I'll be going into the my files. Now here I have written the print hello everyone. Okay, so it was written before. If here, if you are just going to run this file, guys, now you will be getting the option from here, run Python file. If you are just going to do in the terminal, you will be getting the output. Okay. If you want to hide this terminal, you are having the option for the control and the backtick. So just above that tab button, you will be having one more button. So with the backtick or the negation symbol is there, just left side of the one. Okay, numeric pad. Okay, so here, if I'm going to do the same thing, I will be getting the output here. Hello everyone twice. I hope it is clear how to run the file. Now the same thing I was talking about the Jupyter Notebook also, right? In this you can see, I'll just typing the Jupyter, Jupy, Jupyter Notebook. So what I'm going to do, just install it. Okay, let me close this, or you can use the what? The shortcut key. That's the control plus backtick. It is getting installed. It is installed fine. Now here, if you want to work on the Jupyter Notebook file, I will be doing demo.ipynb. I will be doing. Okay. Now the same thing here you can see I will be clicking. If you want a greater text area, so what you can do is you can close the Explorer. Just click on the, so markdown is for the comment. So whatever the things you are writing, you will be using for the markdown. This is just for demo. I can click here. Okay, sorry, I will be just doing okay. It's done. I will be just taking here. It's done. Now I can click on the code, whatever the code I want. What I can write, print um hello. Okay, here if I'm going to run this, you can see now it is telling what, which of the environment you want to select. So Python environment I want to select, that's the Anaconda 3. If it is installed, then else you can use the same Python 3.1. Okay, I have not used any Anaconda anyway, that it was installed in my system, so no issue for that. But here you can see now I will be getting what I run it. So let me install it. It is just installing the kernel. Okay, so the same thing you can do in your system also without downloading the Anaconda in your base machine. Okay, because it is downloading. Now here you can see it is downloaded. It is now connecting to the kernel. For the first time, it will be the same. Now you can see if I'm just going to create first dot ipynb. Just you need to change the extension now. That is the dot ipynb. You can see plus code is there, markdown is there. If you're just writing the code, print hello. Okay, just run it. Sorry, I need to use the code here. That's why I'm getting now hello. I hope you all can see this. So just ignore the spelling. Okay. I hope it is clear. You can do the same way. I'm not going to save this file. Okay. Fine. It means your Python setup is completed. Thank you.